in this task, the ML team keeps different datasets and model version on different Git branches so that the team can roll between versions cleanly. Tag the current status v1 of 0 and produce a v2 improved branch based on a newer dataset. And confirm that switching back restores the original data. So the project extends DVC pipeline on the baseline of transaction.csv. This is our project. DVC pipeline and baseline. Already tracked. An improved dataset has been re-staged at root code production transaction.v2. So visible in the file explorer. Do not delete this. Okay. This is the transaction ID and the amount, merchant and category. Everything will be stored here. On the main branch, tag the current status v1.0. Create a new branch name v2 improved. Replace the tracked dataset with the content of the v2 file. Retrack it with the DVC and rerun the pipeline and commit the changes. Switch back to the main branch and use DVC checkout to restore the v1 dataset on disk. The restored content must match the hash recorded by the v1.0 tag. Main and it should show different dataset hashes on main and v2 import. Okay. Go to a branch. Branch name, root code, fraud reduction. And after changing the branch, we need to run our current Git branch. Our current Git branch is main. So we need to change. We have mentioned main on the main branch. Tag the current status v1.0. So we need to tag branch. Git tag and branches they mentioned here. This is the current state. So we need to type v10. This is the current. After changing the current main branch state, now we need to create and switch to the new branch. New branch, you can see the new branch name is v2 improve. So we need to create and switch to the new branch. Git checkout -d. New branch name is v2 improve. v2 improve. Now our branch is switched to the new branch. Check the branch again. You can see we are in the new branch. Now we need to replace the track dataset with improved dataset. So dataset with content of B2 file and retrack it with DVC and rerun the pipeline, commit the changes. So we need to replace the tracked dataset with the improved dataset. So copy file, here it is, the directory is available, this is our improved dataset. Improved dataset has been pre-staged at in this directory. We already shifting to the directory root code production, so we need to call this file. So copy from this folder. Data raw file name is transactions underscore v2. This is our improved dataset. We need to copy to our tracked dataset. This is our tracked dataset. Need to put that dataset name. Data raw file name transactions.csv. Check the spelling of the file name, and after now we are copied to our improved dataset to the tracked dataset. Now our tracked dataset will be replaced as it is our improved dataset. You can go to see the file. You can see the transaction ID, amount, merchant. Now you can see both are now same file. Because this is the old file, it will be replaced to the as it is the improved dataset. Okay. Now and after copy this file, content of v2 file, retrack it to DVC, rerun the pipeline and commit the changes. So we need to apply the DVC app data raw. So we need to commit the dataset. So only we apply the DVC add transactions dot CSV file. Now we need to commit the changes. You can see here is the 100% adding. Now the track changes. Now we need to track the changes of type with add data raw file name transactions dot csv dot dvc. This is our track changes. So we need to track changes with it, and we need to profile with gitignore. So gitignore and file name is data raw file name is transactions.csv. Now we need to run our command. Did not match any files. Okay, we need to okay. Now we need to run only data. csv.bc. Now we have run. Replace the track dataset and then we need to stage updater dvc metadata. And after that we need to rerun the pipeline with new dataset. So we need to run dvc repo. After git add dataset, we need to run dvc repo. Now you can see the updating log file and the now we are rerun the pipeline. Once check you can see the data and pipeline are updated. Everything will be changed and we need to stage pipeline outputs and metadata. So we have using git add to they have mentioned dvc log, git add dvc log to track the git changes. So we need to use, can see that dvc arm is also available. We need to add the git add. We need to add git add dvc log log dvc YAML. The output should be also matrix.json. We need to the command did not match any files. Okay, before we need to check the status of outputs. They did not mention, so we are only Now stages of pipeline of the chain metadata stages. Now we need to commit this commit. We have rerun the pipeline and now we need to commit the changes. Git commit. Any messages they did not put any messages here. Okay. Now we have add any committer message. Add pipelines. And dataset with the commit. Now two files was changed. Now we need to confirm the new dataset of V2 improve. We have replaced the V2 improved dataset, so we need to confirm that confirm the new dataset of it was correctly mentioned. So use this command with the directory name, file name is transactions. Only we have changed transaction. File name is file mistake. Then the command. Now you can see it will be changed. We can go to the show, big show. Tab name is v1.0, v1.0, and the file location is data transactions. This was our file. You can see this is the output. We have verification of our tagged version. And then switch back to the our main version. So we need to git checkout. We need to switch to the main version. Now it will be switched to the main version. And also we run DVC checkout. Use DVC checkout to restore V1 dataset on disk. So checkout DVC. Now it will be applying the changes. Now our task is finished. We have improved the dataset to the three-stage route. We have changes our dataset to the new location, and also we need to change our main branch to the V1 version, and then New branch name of V2 include. We have changed our now working on V2 include version branch, and then we have switched back to the DEC checkout. After committing adding to the Git, now you have check our Git branch. You can see the main branch will be we have checkout. Now check our task. You can see this. The dataset will be changed as it is. We have mentioned